Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Shang-Chi from the new Marvel movie, Shang-Chi. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Shang-Chi, we're going to begin with the eyes. And first, we want to start with the eyebrows. So I'm going to begin right up here. We're just going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then up. Next, we're going to leave some space, and we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. Starting right here, we're going to make a little line that comes over, and another one that comes over here. Right here, we're going to add a small circle, and we'll do another one here for the pupils. Then right underneath it, we're going to make another little small line. Right here, we're going to add two little parenthesis shapes. And we're going to make a little line that's just going to go down and then up. Then we'll make two little lines that come up for the nose. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that comes across for the mouth. And a little line that's going to go down, over, and up. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down on each side. Then we'll just connect it here for the chin. We'll add a little curved line here. Starting here, we want to make a line that's going to go up and down for the ear, and one more over here. Next, we're going to bring this line up a little bit. And starting here, we're going to make kind of like a zigzag line that just kind of comes across and then down for the top of the hair. Now, starting here, we're just going to make more of that kind of curved zigzag line all the way to this ear. Now, for the neck, we're just going to draw two lines that come down. And we're going to make a line that goes in on each side. Next, you want to make a line that goes down, over, and up. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down on each side. Then you want to connect these with a little bit of a curved line. To make the body, we're going to start with the shoulders. First, you want to draw a little line that comes out on each side. We can go a little bit farther. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes in. Then we're going to bring it in just a little bit more. Starting here, we're going to take this line that's going to go down a little bit farther. We're going to go over on each side. Then we want to come up on each side. We'll bring it in and we'll leave a little space in the middle. And right there, you want to make a little triangle shape. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down to a V, and it's going to come up with a line that goes straight down here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side for the legs. We're going to make a line that comes across on each side. And we're going to bring this line up. The little line across. Right here, we're going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to come around for a foot. We'll do the same thing here. Just go down, bring it right around for the foot. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down on each side for the arms. Make it come down a little farther. We're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come up. We're going to go down. We're going to go over and up. We want to bring it in just a little bit. We'll put a curved line in here. The little line that's going to come around. So we're going to go up and then in. Next, we're going to take this line and we're going to bring it up to here. And we'll do the same thing. We're going to take this line and bring it up to here. We'll draw a little line that comes across on each side with another little line across here. Right here, we're going to make a line that comes down on the top of the foot, and then we'll bring this line over to here. We'll make a line that goes down, and it's going to come up. We'll go down and come up here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then over. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down and then over. Right here, we're going to make a line that goes down and then comes down here. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down and then comes down here. Right here, we're going to make a line that goes up, and then it's going to come up to here. So we go in and then bring it up. Then we'll just add a couple little lines right in here, and same thing over here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Shang-Chi from the new movie Shang-Chi, Legend of the Ten Rings. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.